Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create Metamask wallet. Type to your search engine Metamask. Click on the metamask.io. Check web domain if it is really metamask.io. Click on the download now. Click on the install Metamask for Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add extension. Done, you have a Metamask. Then let's go to create a new wallet. Click on the Start. Click on the Create a Wallet. Click on the I agree. And set your password here. And here you are going to back up your wallet. Write all your words on paper and hide it, and never show your backup words. Now select all your backup words in correct order to verify if you really write it down. Congratulations, you have your Metamask wallet. Metamask is very easy to use. At this moment, we have their Ethereum main network. If you want video, how to add networks like Binance Smart Chain, Polygon and Harmony, write comment. And this is all for this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. And if was this video helpful, please subscribe Money Making channel and like this video.